Alright, today we're going to be doing the articulating wall mount large. That's the awm-l. Fits a 37 to 63 inch TV. Now, our brackets are a little bit easier to install, a little bit easier to put together, and we'll show you all the steps that are involved in that process. So grab your tools and let's get started. These are the items that you should expect to see in your box. Let's go through each item. You've got your snap cap, which is going to fit over the centerpiece itself. We'll show you how to do all that later. You've also got your bars, which are going to attach to the television itself. And we have a locking bar that will go inside of those. We'll describe that later. You have your centerpiece, which is articulating. And the end caps that go along with that as well, which you'll screw on at a later time after you get your television set. This allows you to set the television off center if you'd like to, and make sure you have your bag of installation bolts as well. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Alright, so let's go ahead and mount our brackets to our television. We've got our brackets, we've got our mounting hardware, our screw gun, and we're all set to go. Now when you install these, make sure you have the slot pointing down. What we'll do is install the top screw first, and then we're going to line the screw up with the holes that exist here. Let's go ahead and get started with that. And set your bracket on the television. And you can use your hand just to go ahead and tighten this up. Okay, once we get that in place, we can let it drop. Sometimes it'll line up with the screw hole itself. Sometimes you'll have to adjust it. Okay, got the first one started. Grab your second one again. Make sure the slot is pointing down. And set that first one in place. Again, let it drop. Now you'll need to remember which hole you placed it in on the other side. Just a moment ago I slid it up one hole, so I'll do the same here. Once you get your screws in place, grab your screw gun, tighten these down. Simple installation of a television bracket mount. Okay, so we've got our television mounted to our bracket, and now we are mounting our bracket to the wall. Now we've already got our studs lined up, and we've got everything level. We use the included leveler here. We've pre-drilled our holes. Now we'll go ahead and tighten down these holes and these bolts, and then we'll grab our television and complete the installation. Alright, now we're going to complete the installation of this product. We've already snapped our centerpiece on. Now we'll just hang our TV and we'll set our tilt. So go ahead and hang the TV. And you'll notice, of course, this TV is articulating as well. Bring it out, push it back in. It has two knobs on each side to set the tilt. Once you do that, the installation is complete.